Hi, Peter Robertson, William Portraits Properties. Here we are today in Subiaco on the stunning Subiaco Common. This is a beautiful park, very central, and we're going to have a look today at number 12 Rossello Lane. A tri-level home looking north over the park. Let's go and have a look. Here we are in the main living area of this house. We're on the first floor. It is a beautiful space. It connects seamlessly between the Subiaco Commons and this magnificent Chinese elm tree right through to our central courtyard. This affords us fantastic airflow, an abundance of light, and it's a really versatile space. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen, number 12 Rossello Lane in Subiaco, a beautiful tri-level house, super versatile floor plan with multiple living areas right on Subiaco Common. You can't get better than this, a better location, a better orientation, it doesn't exist. Come and have a look, I look forward to seeing you here.